Imagine making cinematic AI story videos where the characters look the same, the animation feels real, and the lip sync matches perfectly.
There are plenty of people waiting.
No, it's okay. Sorry.
Seriously? She's pregnant.
Alright, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create emotional AI story videos, just like the demo you saw earlier. These are short, cinematic videos that can perform very well on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. To create these videos, we will use a powerful tool called Dzine AI. Now, Dzine AI is not just a simple video generator. Instead, it is a complete creative platform designed for creators, marketers, and designers. It includes several powerful tools in one place. For example, it has an AI video generator, an AI lip sync system, a consistent character tool, and a smart chat editor. So now, let's go through the process step by step. First, log in to Dzine AI and create a new project. Before we start generating videos, we need a few important things. Every good story video begins with 3 core elements. First, a viral video idea. Second, a short script. And third, prompts to generate the images and animations for each scene. Without these 3 elements, the video can feel random and confusing. However, when you have them ready, your story becomes clear, emotional, and engaging. To make this easier for you, I have already prepared special prompts that generate these elements automatically. You can find all of these prompts inside our free Discord server, so make sure to check that out. Now let's start with the first step. First, copy the viral video ideas prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. This prompt is designed to generate 5 emotional and potentially viral story ideas for short videos that last between 30 seconds and 1 minute. But why is this step important? Well, most videos fail not because of bad editing, but because of weak ideas. A strong idea creates curiosity and emotional tension, which keeps viewers watching until the end. Once ChatGPT generates the ideas, choose one story that feels emotional and interesting. Next, copy the story script prompt from our prompt list, then paste it into ChatGPT below the video idea you selected. This prompt tells ChatGPT to generate a complete cinematic story script for your chosen idea. Usually the result includes 3 parts. First, a simple beginning, then an emotional middle, and finally, a surprising or meaningful ending. This structure is very important for short-form storytelling because viewers will only keep watching if the story quickly creates curiosity and emotion. And just like that, your video script is ready. Next, we need to create the characters for our story. To do this, copy the character description prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Based on the script, ChatGPT will generate detailed character descriptions. This step is extremely important. These descriptions allow AI image tools to generate consistent characters across different scenes. Without this step, the characters might change their appearance from one scene to another, which can break the realism of the story. Before creating full scene images, it's a good idea to generate the main characters first so we can see how they look. For example, in this story, we have Daniel Cruz, a 38-year-old construction worker. So I copy Daniel's character description and go to the text-to-image section in Dzine AI. Here, you will see many different image generation models, and each one has a slightly different style. For this tutorial, I'm choosing the Nano Banana Pro model because it works very well for cinematic storytelling. Next, paste the character prompt into the text box, select the output quality and aspect ratio, and then click Generate. And there we go, our character appears. The character looks good, but there is one small issue. For the best character consistency, we need the character image to have a clean background. AI works much better when the background is simple, because the system can clearly understand the character without any distractions. So to fix this, simply add a short instruction at the end of your prompt, asking the AI to generate the character with a clean or plain background. When you regenerate the image, the AI creates the same character with a simple background, which is perfect for future scenes. After that, repeat this process to create all the main characters in your story. Now that our characters are ready, we can start building the story scenes. To do this, copy the AI scene creator prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. This prompt generates 2 important things. First, image prompts for creating scene images. Second, animation prompts for video generation. It also tells you which characters appear in each scene, which makes the workflow much easier. For image creation, the prompts are optimized for Nano Banana Pro. For animation, they are optimized for Kling 3.0. Now let's create our first scene image. First, go back to Dzine AI and download all your character images. Then open the image-to-image image section and upload those characters into the chat editor. Next, keep only the characters that appear in Scene 1. After that, copy the Scene 1 image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Dzine AI. Select Nano Banana Pro as the model and click Generate. And just like that, the first scene appears. As you can see, the characters look exactly like the ones we created earlier. This is the power of consistent character design. Now let's bring the scene to life. Click the AI video button, then select Kling 3.0 as the video generation model. Next, paste the animation prompt into the text box, choose the duration and quality, and click Generate. Within a few minutes, Dzine AI will create the first animated scene of your story.
Oh. There are plenty of people waiting.
And as you can see, the result looks very cinematic and professional. Now, when you create the second scene, you might notice something interesting. Sometimes the background changes too much, and the scene does not feel connected to the previous one. To solve this problem, Dzine AI provides a useful feature called Extract Frame. This tool allows you to capture a frame from an existing video scene. For example, I select the last frame of Scene 1 and add it to the canvas. Then I go back to the AI video section and set that frame as the starting frame for Scene 2. After that, I paste the Scene 2 animation prompt and generate the video again.
No, it's okay. Sorry.
Now the second scene begins exactly where Scene 1 ended, which keeps the visual storytelling smooth and consistent. You can repeat this process for all the scenes in your story. Also, if you want to modify a scene, you can simply upload the last frame to ChatGPT and describe the changes you want. ChatGPT can then generate new prompts for updated scenes or animations. Another useful feature in Dzine AI is the consistent character tool. This feature allows you to train a character model, so the AI remembers that character for future projects. To use this tool, go to the character tool and click Build Your Character. Here you will see two modes. The fast mode trains characters quickly. However, for better quality, it is recommended to use training mode. Next, give your character a name, upload the character image, and start training. Within a few minutes, your character will be ready. From that point on, you only need to describe the character's action and the scene, and the AI will automatically generate images using the same character. Another powerful feature in Dzine AI is the lip sync tool. This tool allows you to animate character dialogue. Simply upload an image or video, and the AI will automatically detect all the faces in the scene. Then, select the face you want to animate and upload the audio file. Once you click Generate, the AI creates a lip-synced animation, making it look like the character is actually speaking. You can even lip-sync multiple characters in the same scene, which is perfect for storytelling videos.
With the Dzine AI lip sync tool, you can easily lip sync
multiple characters in a scene at the same time.
By using all of these tools together, you can create high-quality story videos very quickly.
Oh. There are plenty of people waiting.
No, it's okay. Sorry.
Seriously? She's pregnant.
Your hand's accident. Are you okay?
Please. You should sit.
But your hands.
I'll be all right.
And that's the complete workflow for creating AI animated story videos in just a few minutes. The reason Dzine AI is so powerful is that it combines image generation, video animation, character tools, and editing features all in one platform. This saves creators a huge amount of time and makes the creative process much easier. If you want to try it yourself, you'll find all the tools and prompts I used in the description below. If you need any help, feel free to join our Discord or Telegram group. It's the perfect place to ask questions, share your creations, friends, and connect with other creators who can help you make even better videos. Plus, you'll find all the AI tools and the exact prompts we used in this tutorial, so you can try them out yourself. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.